In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Microsoft Loop, a powerful tool to help you stay organized and boost your productivity. As we dive in, you'll discover just how easy it is to get started and make the most of this platform. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to create a new page within Microsoft Loop. Start by opening the application on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace where you'd like to create your page. The workspace acts as your digital environment, housing all your important notes, projects, and ideas, so choosing the right one is key. Now that you've selected your workspace, it's time to create that new page. Look for the option that says New Page and click on it. This will open up a blank canvas where you can start building your folder structure. But before we move forward, let's focus on giving this new page a template name that makes sense for you. Naming is crucial as it helps you quickly identify your folders later on. So take a moment to consider a title that reflects the content or purpose of the folder you're about to create. Once you've settled on a fitting template name, go ahead and click on the Project option. This categorizes your new page and aligns it with whatever task or project you're working on. It's a handy way to organize your thoughts, ensuring that everything is structured and easily accessible when you need it. Finally, to solidify everything you've set up, click on Save as Template. Doing this will save your newly created page as a reusable template, allowing you to replicate the structure for different projects or purposes in the future. Templates are particularly useful for repeated tasks or projects that benefit from a consistent framework. This means you can save time and reduce effort by not having to recreate similar structures from scratch. Throughout this process, remember that being organized is all about tailoring the tools to fit your specific needs. If at any point you feel the page or folder might need some adjustments in terms of layout or content, Microsoft Loop provides the flexibility to adapt and change things as you see fit. Don't hesitate to experiment a little to find what works best for you. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create folders in Microsoft Loop. By following these steps, you're not just organizing your digital space, but you're also setting yourself up for greater efficiency and focus, making your workflow smoother and more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your productivity